Okay, I lied a little bit. We're not going to look at, right now anyway, a very traditional Gregorian chant kind of thing. What I want to look at instead is something very similar to a chant, but this is more of this is a setting of a mass. It's very old, so it's around the time of a chant, but this has more polyphony to it. So it's more of a vocal piece for multiple voices. A chant, we expect kind of one line, and by polyphony, what I mean is more than one line at a time. You can kind of see like this is a line, and then this is a line, and then another line enters here. That kind of polyphony didn't come in chant, strictly speaking, until a bit later. This is a piece by Josquin, a very famous composer of this era. This is probably one of his most famous pieces. It's an excerpt of a mass he wrote, probably the last mass he wrote in his life. This dates from around the year 1515. So before we listen to it, I just want to point out, when you hit play on something like this, in something like MuseScore or any other program, you're going to hear these synthesized voices trying to sing it. And it's not going to sound good. I kind of hate the synthesized voice sound. This is what it sounds like. It's not very elegant. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to put this on the screen, but then I'm going to play an actual recording of humans singing it. Let's hear the whole thing just to get it in our head. It's about 3 minutes long. And then and while you're listening to it, see if you can take a guess on what mode it's using, okay? Just think about the way it sounds and if any mode comes to mind. Okay, here we go.